All right, welcome back to working with these data here on number of fatalities in cars with or without airbags. You should have your data fairly well organized by this point, given the first half of the assignment. And what we're looking to do now is actually compare these two different groups, right? Vehicles with no airbag versus vehicles with airbags, trying to see which group of cars is or is not safer. So to do that, we're going to use Fathom to create our number line and box plots and histograms for us. To do that, you'll notice I just dragged in a collection. So again, back to this collection idea. There's actually a shortcut once you have your data arranged in Excel, which is really great. So again, we've already got our data here in Excel. We've got our collection that we've dropped down here. What we're going to do is select the group of data that we want to pull in from Excel into Fathom. We're going to Command C or just go to Edit, Copy. Okay, so we've got it copied. You'll see in Excel it gives you a little, the little ants walking around the outside. It's ants. And you're just going to go back over here. You're going to highlight the collection you want. You're going to hit Command V. And you'll see you've got your cases in there now because you've got your little golden eggs. And then you can pull down a table to see these data from over here, which is pretty great. And you'll notice that it's nice. It's identified for you the column headings, vehicle fatalities, and then no airbags, again, just indicating that there are no airbags. So what we can do is, we can leave this here. We can rename the collection, call it no airbags. And then, as we may recall from Friday, to make a graph with those data, you can just pull it in. And again, we're interested in comparing the single variable of the number of fatalities, and we can go right here. So I'll leave it up to you all to A, do the same for vehicles with airbags. And then I'll let you respond to the questions in the prompt. Note that you can write your answers to the questions in a text box here. Yeah. Okay, so if there are questions, obviously post them to Canvas or email me any way you like. Here's something too that I suggest you play around with. Obviously, you'll probably do the same thing that we just did here, but for cars with airbags. I'm curious, what happens if you make a collection using all the data and try and use some of the tools that Fathom has, or perhaps use this other axis to sort of visualize the data differently? Just play around with it. Take a little second to explore. But I'm curious if Fathom has more tools here. All right, go get them.